crack the code for FAR and DFAR regulations, and land multi-million-dollar government awards. It's no surprise that government procurement is a maze of regulations. Many agencies and contractors find themselves lost, struggling to navigate these complex rules. Understanding them is crucial to avoid costly mistakes and ensure smooth operations. We will be examining the Federal Acquisition Regulation, commonly referred to as the FAR, along with the Defense Acquisition Regulation Supplement, or DFARS, which specifically governs the Department of Defense. Imagine the frustration of missing out on a contract award due to a simple oversight. That's the reality for many who don't grasp the intricacies of procurement regulations. Let's dive into these challenges and uncover the hidden hurdles.
These regulations impact every aspect of your contracts. From compliance to execution, understanding the FAR and DFAR requirements can be the difference between being awarded a contract or failure. Let's explore how they shape your procurement journey.
FAR and DFARS form the core of federal contracting. FAR applies broadly across agencies, while DFARS adds defense-specific clauses. For example, DFARS strengthens data protection standards for controlled unclassified information in Department of Defense contracts and is key for risk mitigation and compliance. Implementing FAR and DFARS best practices is essential because it minimizes compliance risks, ensures procurement accuracy, and protects against costly issues like budget overruns and audit findings. By aligning your processes with these regulations, you strengthen contract integrity, improve audit readiness, and position your organization for long-term success in government contracting. In summary, government procurement regulations, such as the FAR and DFARS, are essential to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability in public funds. You need to know which FAR and DFARS clauses apply to your contract. Remember, contract clauses aren't suggestions, they are legally binding documents. Compliance can be a competitive advantage in proposals. A 2024 study by PricewaterhouseCoopers found that companies prioritizing compliance as a strategy experienced a 35% higher return on investment. Compliance saves more money than it costs. Penalties can reduce contractor reimbursement by 10 to 25% of total claimed costs. Finally, stay informed. Regulations change more than you think, and training is a key point for retaining contracts. Take action today to ensure your contracts are compliant and audit-ready. Let's embark on this journey together, transforming challenges into opportunities. Your path to successful contract execution starts now. So, if you are struggling with FAR and DFARS rules, our free-to-join community helps bring clarity to the confusion and cut the red tape. Sign up today to our free community and get access to our questions and answers meetings with experts. Our free class is in high demand. Save your spot today by leaving a message in the comment section, "I'm ready to level up," and start building a professional government contracts program.